It's Cash Money Master once again coming to you with another video for today. You know, when you want to talk about cryptocurrencies, this is where we do that. Now, today I would like to welcome you back into this channel of mine. And you know that there is a difference between cryptocurrencies and paper money, which is called fiat currency. But we need to find out what is the difference between the two currencies before I speak about cryptocurrency. Well, fiat currency is paper money. It's money that is being used all over the world, and cryptocurrency is digital money. But let us read the example that has been presented before us to get a clear indication of what is the difference between the two currencies. Well, fiat currency is centralized, issued and controlled by third parties, while cryptocurrency is decentralized. Transactions are peer-to-peer. Cryptocurrencies exist in limited quantities, while fiat currencies can be issued at will. Bitcoin, for example, is limited to 21 million units. So we know that paper money, being fiat currency, is not controlled by you and I, but is controlled by a third party. This third party can issue this fiat currency as it so wishes, and it is fully in control of this currency. When, on the other hand, cryptocurrency is not controlled by a third party, transactions are peer-to-peer, a person to another when we make a transactions. If I'm sending you money from my account to your account, I'm sending it directly without any intermediary, no middleman, no third party. And this currency, which is called cryptocurrency, exists in limited quantities. And Bitcoin, which is a currency that has been used as an example, is limited to 21 million units. Now let us compare the two currencies to get more details as to what is the difference between the two currencies. Let us compare them. So comparing currency, fiat is physical. It's money that you can hold with your hand. It's paper money, it's fiat currency. Crypto, it's digital. It's money that moves through computers, cell phones, laptop, tablet. You cannot hold it with your hand, but you can see the transactions through your device. Then fiat is issued by governments. Then crypto is generated by computers. Centralized fiat is centralized, monitored by government. When crypto is decentralized, no one can control. So if you want to be in control of your money, then you can choose crypto. But if you want the government to control your money, you can choose fiat. This is the difference between the two. Well, fiat currency, it's unlimited supply. The government can print the money as it so wishes. Unlimited supply of it. And then we have cryptocurrency, which has limited supply. We know when there's limited supply, high demand, the price goes up. Then we have restricted by borders, which is fiat. Fiat is restricted by borders. It's not global. It depends on the country, and it caters for the people of that country. Hence, we have different currencies in different continents. But cryptocurrency is unseizable. As long as you have a computer, a cell phone, and you have an application to accept cryptocurrencies, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. I can send you money today, right now, at any given time. It's unseizable. No restriction for cryptocurrency whatsoever. I can send it to anyone at any given time, from South Africa to USA, from South Africa to China, from South Africa to England, anywhere where I want to send money. As long as you have a cryptocurrency wallet and I have it too, you can receive it. And now let us continue and find out what is this currency that has been used as an example, which is Bitcoin. All right. So what is the simplest explanation of Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is a currency, a visual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, thus removing the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions. That's the simplest explanation of what Bitcoin is. Now, if you still don't know or you don't understand what is Bitcoin, well, you need to get the white paper. To get the best white paper that you can read, you can find it from Bitpanda. Just simply type Bitcoin white paper on your browser, then click on bitpanda.com. Then you'll find this Bitcoin white paper. So Bitcoin white paper, it's about who came up with Bitcoin, how does it work, and why did they come up with it? When did they come up with it? So you can find all this information by simply reading the Bitcoin white paper. So that you can do to be able to get more details on what Bitcoin is and understand it fully. That's where all the details are there. Now, Bitcoin is a very volatile currency. Now, let's find out what does volatile mean. Volatile mean on bullet point number 2, it simply means liable to change rapidly and unpredictable, especially for the worse. It has happened. It's still happening today. The price of Bitcoin, it changes from time to time. It can go up, it can go down. You can check it up and you find that that is true. That is what is currently happening on a daily basis. It can actually go up or go down, especially for the worst, or it could be for the best for those who might have invested in Bitcoin and the price happens to go up. They might find themselves in profits. Well, after Bitcoin, there were more cryptocurrencies that were developed and brought to the cryptocurrency market. So Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency that is volatile. Let us get more info on other cryptocurrencies that are as volatile as Bitcoin is. Now, to get this information, you simply need to type crypto, then type bubbles, and click on cryptobubbles.net. You will then be taken to this page that I have right in front of me. Now, the coins that are in green circles are coins that are performing very well. If there's anyone who has invested in this coin, that person is in profits in terms of the green circles. And the coins that are in red circles are coins that are not doing well for today. So let us have a look at some of the coins that are doing well today that are in green circles. We have RLB, which is up by 10.6%. We have SOL, which is SOL, which is up by 3.4%. We have BSV, which is up by 23.3%. We have MNT, which is also up by 4%. Now let's have a look at coins that are not doing well for the day. And some of these coins are PLS, which is down by 8.6%. We have LDO, which is down by 5.8%. We have Link, which is down by 4.1%. And we have GMX, which is also down by 5.4%. Now, for these coins to be affected is because of what is happening in the global market, even in the crypto space or outside the crypto space. Now, to find out what are some of the factors that affect these price of the cryptocurrencies that we can see right in front of us is because of the news. So let us have a look at the headlines for today presented to us by CoinMarketCap. To find out about these headlines on a daily basis, I mean every day, you can just simply type CoinMarketCap and then type headlines and click on CoinMarketCap headlines, you'll then be taken to this page. Now, on this page, we have today the Tron blockchain and its consensus protocol. And then let me scroll down. I'm just going to read the headings. If you want to read this, you can just do it and find out what is going on in terms of Tron blockchain and its consensus protocol. Then we have Shiba Inu price delays, bullish breakout as investors buy the rumor and sell the news. We have Bitcoin's jump comes as traders prepare for potential October rally. So traders are preparing for the price of Bitcoin to go up in October. That's what it means by October rally. Then we have crypto winter fails to freeze Hong Kong's OTC market. Chainalyst says. Well, this is some of the news that we have for today coming to you from CoinMarketCap headlines. Now let us proceed and find out about the important cycles of cryptocurrencies. Now let me just click here. Well, this is the example of market cycles in cryptocurrencies. Now the cycles are as follows. We have the 2022 bear market. The 2022 was the previous year. The prices of cryptocurrencies dropped. They depreciated. They were on a negative by 40, some 60, 80, 70, even 90%. Now, this has to do with the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The previous year, they were not doing well. And now we are in 2023, which is the accumulation year. This is the year to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's time to accumulate. It's time to dollar cost, to buy with the little amount that you might have in the pocket. Should you consider investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the right time to buy these little coins with the little that you have. Should you consider investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the accumulation year. And then next year, 2024, it's Bitcoin halving cycle. Bitcoin is created through a system called mining. Mining through computers called mining rigs. Mining rigs are set to solve complex math problems. In so doing, they produce Bitcoins. Now, every third year, the supply of Bitcoins are reduced to half. This is to counteract inflation and to ensure that there is scarcity so that this can be deflationary, to counteract inflation so that the price can appreciate. And those who have invested in cryptocurrencies find themselves in a position where they get some of the profits if they have invested in the cryptocurrency space. That's what Bitcoin halving cycle is. And then we have 2025, which is the bull run. The bull run is when the price of Bitcoin will appreciate, just like it did in 2021, where we had the price of Bitcoin sitting at 68,000 US dollar. It was around June, July. The price was doing so well. So in 2025, the price will appreciate. It will go up. Some people might be millionaires, some people might be billionaires, and some people might not make money when they don't withdraw profits when the price appreciates from time to time during that time. Now, these are the important cycles of cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies. Now, let us find out what is in detail the Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving is when the reward for Bitcoin mining is cut in half. Halving takes place every 4 years. The halving policy was written into Bitcoin's mining algorithm to counteract inflation by maintaining scarcity. Now, that is the definition of Bitcoin halving. Now, seeing that, we can see that the previous years there was Bitcoin halving, but we need to get the dates for the next Bitcoin halving so that we can position ourselves? Should we consider investing in this currency called cryptocurrency? Well, as per CoinGecko, the Bitcoin halving block reward will decrease from 6.25 to 3.125 coins in approximately. As you can see, it says 205 days, 22 hours, and 29 minutes. Those are the days that are left in approximately until the next Bitcoin halving. And let us look at the estimated date and time of reward drop, which is the 25th of April 2024 at 20 hours and 12 minutes. Now, as we know that when Bitcoin halving takes place, there is limited supply. The coins that are mined are cut into half, and it is deflationary and has an impact on the price to go up. It affects the price in a positive way. And should you consider investing in cryptocurrencies, I would suggest that you consider having additional coins as well to ensure that if other coins are not performing well, those that are performing well can actually make up for these coins that are not doing well. Now, let us have a look at what do you really need to have these coins? Well, you actually need to have a cryptocurrency portfolio. Now, let me click on the Forex Academy. This is the example that we will be talking about on how to build a long-term cryptocurrency portfolio and how it will benefit you and how it will help you not to make terrible mistakes should you invest in cryptocurrencies. Well, as per Forex.academy, we have a cryptocurrency portfolio example that is before us. We have Steam, which is the code. The code is Steam. The coin is the third one from the top. The code is Steam. The amount is 1,000. The BTC value is fractions of a penny. The USD value is 86 cents. The wallet value is $860.37. The exchange that was used as an example is Polynix, which is a percentage of holding is 13.77%. And then from the bottom, we have Doge, which is the code. The code is Doge. The amount is 10. The BTC value is fractions of a penny. We have the USD value being 0. We have the wallet value being 1 cent. The exchange that has been used as an example is Polynix, and the percentage of holding is also 0.00. Now let's read some of the information that has to do with building a cryptocurrency portfolio that might benefit you in years to come. Well, historical data shows that the crypto market has returned over 900% since 2017. Of course, the journey hasn't been all smooth, as evident from the often unprecedented deep and high trends of the market. But in the long haul, its valuation has been increasing as more investors join the trade. With this in mind, the idea of targeting long-term gains is more appealing than chasing short-term profits, which are often not as much as the former. Now let us continue reading. While investing in the long term promises greater returns, it should be noted that the method requires you to have patience, keep your emotions under check in all market times. Now, to achieve this, you should only invest an amount that you can live without. So, no matter what happens, you won't have the urge to do what? To sell your cryptos so that you can sustain yourself. Also, having a cushion to fall back on will prevent you from panic selling. Now, why should you consider long term crypto investment? Foregoing the short-term profits in favor of long-term gains is not only highly rewarding, but it's also less risky. As such, you don't have to worry about missing out on leveraging into a position or timing the market, because day trading or short-term investment is characterized by numerous transactions whose fees can quickly accumulate and eat into your profits. But when investing in the long term, all you have to do is to pick a few cryptocurrencies and then wait. This helps reduce the number of transactions, saving you the fees that come with active trading. Now, let us have a look at indicators of long-term value. When you build a long-term portfolio, it boils down to the type of digital currencies you invest in. So you don't just invest in all cryptocurrencies that are out there. You must be mindful of the coins that you invest in, because there's over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the market, and it can be overwhelming to choose one that pays off in the long run. Now, here are a few factors that you need to consider when choosing currencies for your long-term life portfolio. You need to consider the market cap, have a look at the utility value, the industry in which this coin is tied to. Make sure that you don't be too rigid. And then the conclusion reads as follows. While the above tips will help you build a long-term portfolio, you should note that the crypto market is highly volatile. To keep up with the trends, it demands that you regularly check and rebalance your portfolio in line with your objectives. Also, it's a good idea to keep tabs on market events such as government laws in jurisdiction regarding cryptocurrencies. These events usually have an impact on price movement. Now, this is the importance of building a cryptocurrency portfolio. To find this information, just type the importance of having a cryptocurrency portfolio. Click on images, scroll down. When you see this image with the heading, how to build a long-term cryptocurrency portfolio, just click on it. You'll be taken to this page and you can find all this information that I just read to you. Now, as you have seen, and I have read to you, that there's over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, and you need to be mindful of the cryptocurrencies that you choose. But how do you choose when there's so many cryptocurrencies? Which one is the best and which one is not? This will actually stress you out, but you don't have to be stressed, because in the cryptocurrency space, there is what we call cryptocurrency mentors. So with cryptocurrency mentors, you know that you can get assistance so that you can make an informed decision when you invest in cryptocurrencies and you have a portfolio for yourself. Now, the importance of having a crypto mentor is that a crypto trading mentor is actively involved in the market, and it can keep you informed about the latest trends and industry insights. This knowledge will equip you to adapt your trading strategies so that you can seize lucrative opportunities as they arise. Now, what is a crypto mentor actually? Let us find out. A crypto trading mentorship program has become indispensable resource for individuals that are interested in venturing into the cryptocurrency market. These programs, they offer quality education. You get personalized guidance, risk management strategies, so that you can navigate the volatile crypto space successfully. So I have a crypto currency mentor of mine. I actually know which coins to buy and which coins not to buy. And I know my expectations in terms of the percentages for me to gain in terms of the cryptos that I have bought. So I'm sure you would also like to know which cryptocurrencies to buy and when you should buy them so that you can have a cryptocurrency portfolio for yourself and you might have potential profits and you don't have to stress about which coins to buy and which are the ones that you shouldn't buy because you'll be having a cryptocurrency mentor. So if you want to see yourself doing well in the cryptocurrency space by making a good decision that will benefit you in terms of the information, in terms of potential gains, I have a link at the bottom of the description of this video. You can just simply copy and paste the link and search for the information that my crypto mentor has to offer. You will see who is my mentor. You will see the benefits that some of the members have got, which is their personal testimonies for having been members of this club. So that's about it. I thank you so much for tuning into this channel of mine. It's Cash Money Master. And I'm asking you to kindly subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, click that like button, share this video with your friends, your colleague, your family members, your significant other. And I'll also be sharing a link on how you can fund your account, which is your cryptocurrency account, using your bank account. With that being said, that's about it. Thank you. Have a fantastic one. I will see you in the next video.